addiction to social networking websites. So we are in the last unit, abuse of technology. Under the abuse of technology, last class we discussed about addiction to mobile phone and addiction to video games. Okay, and continue with next one, addiction to social networking websites, that is addiction to social media. So you know very well about meaning of addiction. Addiction means when the individual always want to be with that without particular one he not feel normal. That is addiction to something. Okay, like this when the individual use the social media always without social media usage the individual not feel normal, and continuously whenever there is time regularly the individual always be with social media using social media means that is addiction to social media or addiction to social networking websites. Okay, so social media addiction is a behavioral addiction because totally people addicted to the particular website and particular media, social media, that is like a behavioral addiction. Okay, the definition of social media addiction is being overly concerned about the social media. Okay, so like extremely or overly the person depend the social media using the social media like every day every time using the social media. Next one, uncontrollable urge to log on or to use the social media. Like your mind also thought your urge also always tell you to log on to check something, share something, read something, write something. That is you can't able to control yourself. That type of feeling happen, that type of things happen with you to log on something, use something, it happen. That also considered as addiction to social media. Next one, spending so much of time with the social in the social media. Okay, always like more than 2 hours 3 hours spending time checking something, sharing, reading, watching something you do with social media. So most of the time you spend with the social media means it also addiction to social media, and it affects your other important life, other important activities also, like your academic or your personal something also get some negative, not able to success somewhere. So when it that things happen due to the social media, that is the meaning of addiction to social media. Okay, so uncontrolled use of social media and spending most of the time with social media, and it affect your life, and you can't able to come out from the use of social media when it happen. That is the meaning of addiction to social media. We have number of social media app is there, so it is all considers unhealthy dependence on interactive platform like Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, Instagram. These are the platform. If you are using or uncontrollably or using and spending most of the time with this platform, then it considers the addiction to social media. Okay. So here I want to share on data about the worldwide use of social media. Like these are the top 10 platform that people are using in our world. Okay, the first platform is Facebook, followed by YouTube, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, WeChat, Instagram, Tumblr. Like this, we have some other platform also. Nowadays, that Signal and the Telegram also is going to add in this list because this is the 2018 data, but 2020 some other social media website also popular number of people are using, so that also may add in this list. Okay, so these are the top 10 or top 5 social media people are using in our world. Okay, so most of the people are using WhatsApp, YouTube, and Facebook. So you know very well what are the media you using. From that also you can guess which one is a popular one, which one most of the people are using in our day-to-day life. Okay. Next one, symptoms. So through these symptoms, you can able to guess, you can able to understand yourself or your friends also whether they are addicted or not. Okay. The first one, feeling unsettled or feeling something when you're not able to use your internet, or when the social network site is down, or when the social network website is slow than usual. Okay. When it happen, you feel some unsettled, you feel some stress, you feel some depression. It happened to you means that is addiction to social media. Recently, the YouTube channel page also get stopped for half an hour. So that time, number of people used to share number of things with social media about the YouTube not working, something happened in the Google server, like this number of things happen, right? So when you're not able to use the particular software or particular social media for some times, that time if you feel unsettled, that is symptoms of addiction to social media. Nowadays the Signal app also people are telling not able to use because of some server problem like that. So like this, when you're not able to use some social media platform, or when the internet connection is not proper or it always slow than usual, that time if you feel something, means that is symptoms of addiction to social media. Next one, checking your social media first things morning and last things at night, like this if you do, it also symptoms of social media addiction. Like after get up from the bed, checking something or do something with the social media, or on the last also lying on bed and doing something with the social media. If you do something, it also symptoms of social media addiction. Next one, using your social media while walking as well as while driving. Okay, that time also always sharing, doing something, watching, or like this. You do something with social media always, wherever you go, whatever you do, always do something with social media, means it also symptoms of social media addiction. And feeling bad when not get likes or not get retweets or not get views, like this, or not get subscribed, like this. For that reason, if you feel some bad or you feel some stress, like this, means it also symptoms of addiction to social media. And preferring to communicate with the friends or family members through the social media platform only, not face to face. Like when someone want to speak with you, you always call through WhatsApp calling, or you share something through our Google uh, something, like you always use social media platform for the communication purpose, not like face to face or direct communication. Like this if you do, it also symptoms of social media addiction. And feeling the need to share everything's in the social media always in the right time, like whenever you reach somewhere, whenever you travel, whenever you do something, you always post in the social media platform. Okay, like always check in with the social media, wherever you go, whatever you do, always you share everything through the social media platform. If you do this type of activities also, we can guess your addiction to the social media. Okay, so you not post your message, you not check in your things immediately, you post after few hours, like this. If you are control yourself, then it's okay. But immediately reaching the station, immediately reaching the airport, you check in, you share something with others, means that is symptoms of social media addiction. Okay, so like these are the symptoms you can guess from yourself, or you can analyze others also whether they're addicted or not. Okay, next one, some questions to check your addiction. Like the first question about the spending lot of time, lot of thinking about social media. Okay, always your thought happen about the social media only, like about the page, about the tweet, about the likes, comments, like this. Always you focus your mind, always remember about thought about that. It is happen, that is addiction to the social media. And feeling urge to the use of social media whenever you have free time, and after the class, after the some place, after some activity, immediately doing with social media. It also symptoms of social media addiction. And use the social media to forget your personal problems and escape from your other activities also. Okay, whenever you feel stress, going using the social media, like this if you do, it also symptoms of social media addiction. And often try to reduce your social media, but not able to control without your mind also, without your control also, you are using the social media, like uncontrolled use of social media. It also symptoms of social media addiction. And restless or troubled if unable to use social media, and had negative impact on your job, on your studies, if anything affect, means it also symptoms of social media addiction. Okay, like this, some questions, some symptoms is there. If you analyze yourself, then you can able to guess whether you are addicted to the social media or not. Okay, next one, causes. So why the individual used to addict to the social media? We have a number of causes, but I mentioned only few here. Like first causes is, nowadays the rapid technology, the spread of information and technology, number of people are using the social media. Like I told you, after the Geo introduced, after the Geo concept, Number of people are using the smartphone, unlimited data. They used to log in number of social media website also. So like these the things happen. Okay, so the spread of information technology and rapid in the recent years. So the social media addiction, social media usage also happening from our society. Next one, contact our friends or develop a relationship, maintain the friendship. That are also purpose, that are also reasons why people are addiction, why people are using the social media. Like immediately, like every day you want to send good morning, good evening, something you are sharing with your friends. You develop your maintain your friendship or contact the friends searching through Google, searching through Facebook. Something they are doing for that reasons they are addicted to the social media. Next one, share the feelings about your video, picture, other things. You share everything through social media only. So that also you feel happy, you feel joy when you somebody likes, somebody comments, somebody share your page to others. Like this, because of the some happiness also, people are using the media or addiction to the social media and access the important education information also. Like recently nowadays people are using the social media platform for your knowledge also. Like in YouTube we have number of knowledge subject available, and some other platform also number of educational information you can get through social media platform. So for that purpose people are using the social media. Like for example the LinkedIn is there, it is a professional business related a platform. You can get number of information. ResearchGate is there, academic page also there. Like this, some of the education information related social media also there. So people are using for the educational purpose. It also causes why people used to addict to the social media. And the lack of affection, like when the individual not get proper affection, proper care and support from the family members, the individual expect from the society. So the individual share number of things to social media. The individual get some friendship, get some happiness from the social media. So they used to share. Okay, so when the individual get lack of affection, lack of respect, lack of care, lack of love, the individual may addict to the social media. Next one, low self-esteem. Like when the individual feel I'm not good or I'm not enough, nobody respect, nobody kind of things. When they have the inferiority complex, that type of individual also usually addict to the social media, because in social media platform they can get number of support, they can get number of views, all those things. So that kind of people also want to share through the social media only, because that people believe that if I share with my friends face to face direct, maybe the friends may not accept, the friends may not encourage. So because of the inferiority complex, they share everything through social media only, they don't share with the others directly. Like this mindset also there. So people are addicted to the social media. Next one, personal dissatisfaction. Like he doesn't like anybody, or he also doesn't like himself, like this. So number of personal dissatisfaction people also used to addict to the social media, because on social media platform they can get number of enjoyment, they can get number of joy, happiness, something. So they like the particular thing, so they addicted to the social media. Like this, number of reason is there why people used to addict or using the social media in the extreme level. Okay, these are some of the causes or reasons of social media addiction. Okay, next one, effects. So effects, because of social media usage, we are getting number of impact. Like first one, cyberbullying, because whatever you share, whatever you upload through social media, it always open. Anybody can download, anybody can use your photo, anybody can use your video also. Okay, so for that reason, cyberbullying things happen, like photo morphing, photo editing, and kind of things. Sometimes they'll give some bad commands also. So cyberbullying related impact the individual may face due to the addiction to social media. And sometimes your information is also easily available through social media. You always check in, you always share wherever you go, whatever you do, always share through social media. So your information is also leaked to others, so that people can use information and they can do business. Like how WhatsApp recently sent the conditions, like whatever you share, whatever you do, we can use for our business purpose. Like this, whatever media you are using, some people may use your social media, your comments, your things for the business. So cyberbullying may happen due to the addiction of social media. Next one, it distract you from your productivity, or it drop you from your productivity, because in workplace, in education institutions, in assignments, in personal exam time, if you are using addicted to social media, it affect your productivity, it affect your growth also, because you spend most of the time with your social media only, so you're not able to focus your academic, your professional, your personal kind of things. So it distract or deviates from your productivity. You may get number of poor growth or a lack of growth in your field. Okay, that type of effects also may happen due to addiction to social media. Next one, fatigue and stress also, because number of people used to addict to the social media. So you use continuously social media, that time you feel fat, you feel some stress, you feel some depressed. Okay, you not feel happy, you not feel comfortable, you always have some kind of depression also, because nobody likes or nobody share, nobody retweet. I put up number of effort, but the views are very less. Like this, when you feel something, it gives some stress, it gives some fatigue. Okay, so that type of problems also may happen due to the addiction to social media. And peer pressure of and the desire to compare the things, kind of things also happen. Like when you compare yourself always with others. Okay, like see how many friends I have or how many likes I have, like this. The type of competition, the type of comparison with your peers or kind of things may happen. That's not good. It also affect your friendship, and it distracting oneself from the real world, from family members also, because always depend, always spend time with social media means the real friendship, your family friendship, that type of friendship, contacts, relationship get affected, because nobody spend time with you when you always be with your phone, when you always be with your laptop. Okay, so the real friendship, face-to-face friendship, direct friendship get affected. The type of things distraction may happen due to the addiction to the social media. And also other health problems also happen, because you continuously using social media, you not get proper food, the food also not get digest properly, and you not take proper personal health kind of concept. So it affect you personal health issues also. Okay, number of health problems the individual may face due to the addiction of social media. Like this, number of effects, number of consequences may happen due to of addiction to social media. Okay, so preventive measures, this is important one. So you have to follow these preventive measures, then only you can able to come out from the addiction, then you can feel happy in your day-to-day life. Okay, so this is the important one. That is only we have this topic in our syllabus also. So how to prevent ourselves from the addiction to social media? We can do number of steps. The first one is limit your spending your time. Okay, like schedule your activity, or set limit for your social media usage, like only 1 hour, only 1 hour, half an hour, or morning only this time. Like this, you schedule your time, limit your usage. If you follow these techniques, it really help you to control the social media addiction. Because without limits, if you are using always, like whenever, wherever you feel free, holding phone and doing something doing something with social media means that time only you easily addict to the social media. So schedule or limits your spending time with social media. It really helps to control the social media addiction. Next one, delete some unnecessary apps. So for example, the WhatsApp, Messenger, Telegram, or some other groups also, like WhatsApp, Messenger, Telegram groups also there. Unwanted, unrelated groups also, you be a member. Like somebody added you, somebody recommended you to add, so you also join the group. Like these groups, if you are a member, kindly remove that type of groups, and delete unnecessary apps also. When you not use particular app, that type of things also you remove. Okay, because some whatever apps you are using, whatever social media platform you're using, the same platform, same media, same social media you can use in the desktop, laptop also. Okay, don't believe only the mobile phone, because when you have mobile phone, always you go with particular page, always you check something, that way you is addict to the social media. So delete unnecessary apps, use the desktop or laptop for the social media purpose, as well as remove such a unwanted groups also. Okay, this is the way if you follow, then also you can able to come out from your addiction to social media. Next one, disconnect and unplug yourself from the page, from the social media platform. At least 3 months or 4 months, like this, you try something. When you achieve, when you success, then that only you can able to guess. If you not remove, suddenly being with that and you want to remove, want to come out from, means it's not possible. So check something, disconnect something for the 3 months or 4 months. Try this kind of things. It also help you to come out from the addiction of social media, or learn something new, some new things you can learn, like not only addiction social media, like reading the books, or listening some music, or walking, yoga, exercise, something you do. This type of hobby, drawing, the type of hobbies also help you to come out from the addiction of social media. and spend more time with your family members, with your friends also, because when you do your face-to-face communication, direct relationship, it also help you to come out from the addiction of social media. And never bring your smartphone to the bedroom mostly, because if you bring the smartphone or tablet or any other device to the bedroom, that time only you not get sleep immediately. It takes some minutes or some hours also to get sleep. That time only most of the people used to spend time with the social media. They're checking something, sharing, and they watching the video. Some of the things happen mostly in the bedroom in the night sleeping time only. So don't take the device to your bedroom. This way, if you follow, it's also easy to come out from your addiction of social media. Now, other preventive measures also there, like set a minimum time for your social media connections, like only 15 minutes you have to use. After 15 minutes, you have to shut down, you have to off your social media. Like this, schedule something, it will help you. And do without your mobile phone and at key times of the day, like for example, something the breakfast or dinner or lunch, something you do without phone. Like if you when you play, when you go outdoor, some sports also, when you be with your friends, at least that time I'm not going to take mobile phone. Like this, you schedule, you fix your mind. While food, well, I'm not going to take. While doing the sports, I'm not going to take. While spend time with my friends, I'm not going to take. Like this, you schedule your time and do some activity without phone also. You try something. These kind of things also help you to come out from your addiction to social media. Next one, put your mobile phone on the silent mode sometimes. Okay, because when it notifications are coming, when some unnecessary message coming or something coming, then only people always check the uh, mobile phone and do something with the smartphone. Okay, so put your mobile phone in the silent mode. And also even sometimes alarm, some things also, that also don't keep only with your mobile phone. Keep something, the real alarm, something. Okay, like these things also really help you to come out from your addiction and using the social media or using the mobile phone. That type of things you can able to come out easily from these type of techniques. And set a minimum time and each and every day for a completely offline activity. Okay, off your data and do something offline activity like sports, reading, listening the music, drawing, something you focus. Okay, that type of activities also help you to come out from your addiction. And cut down your number of social media friends, because unnecessary unwanted friendship also, or friends also we have in our social media platform. So like that type of friends you can avoid. Okay, because friends of friends like this also sometimes we add in our social media page. Okay, that type of friends unnecessary, you may have number of friends, and because the number of friends may share like something, then you also get notifications. You also again checking a number of things. Okay, so how much you reduce your friendship in social media, that much time you can use social media. Okay, so cut down your friendship, a number of friends in social media platform. This also really help you to come out from your addiction. Okay, so these are basic techniques or basic preventive measures you can follow in your day-to-day life. It really help you to come out from your addiction, come out from your social media networking websites. Okay, so overall, the conclusion about social media addiction is social media is the computer-based network that enables people to interact with friends and families through internet connections. Okay, but social media sites are the most visited websites in comparison to other networking websites. Like we have different types of websites are there for the knowledge, for the education institution log website page, like this. Other we have number of website pages there, but social media website pages most visited, most spending time websites that for information. And people chat and people share the picture, people share the video, audio, views, opinions, activities, everything with the help of the social media nowadays. Okay, but that is good, but people are spending or addiction to social media because of this reason. It became an addiction when people are start to spend more and more time within the social media sites. So adults start showing low productivity at work, low productivity at academic and other activity also, or place also, due to the addiction of social media. Even in the exam time, if you addicted exam time, if you use social media, it really affect your exam marks. And the interview time, if you use social media, it affect your performance in the interview. Like this, mostly adults, teenage people low their productivity at workplace due to the addiction of social media, just for information. And people also undergo emotional depression as a result of social media addiction. the stress, depression level also they are getting, because they want to get number of likes, they want get number of retweets, they want to popular on social media. Like this mindset is there, so people are getting the depression also due to the addiction of social media. And children also being to lost interest in studies and lack of concentration also. Mostly after this lockdown, number of school going children are using the social media, and they addicted to the social media also. Nowadays, whatever the like online class, the parents also compel the children to go school and attend the online class, means children are not interested, children are avoid the kind of classes, education things, because they interest want to play the video game or want to use the social media. Like this mindset get changed. Okay, so when the children are addicted to social media, it affect the studies, it affect the academic uh, growth also. Okay, that also happen. So it would help if the people take time out from the self replication and curb their desire to check in social networking websites. Okay, so you have to control your activity, and you should not post anything suddenly in social media. And like self replication things also, you should control. That also a way you can able to come out from the social media, and people can curb their social mobile addiction, social media addiction, if they take control and of their actions. This way only we can able to control our social media addictions. Okay, so kindly follow these techniques, kindly follow this procedure in your day-to-day life. It really help you come out from your addiction. Because of social media addiction, as I told you, academic growth, interview, and your relationship, number of things students are missing, particularly in the teenage time. So kindly aware about that. For education purpose you can use, but people are using not only the education purpose, they're using for entertainment also. So compared to education and entertainment is more via social media. So you have to aware yourself, you have to analyze yourself. So you have to check your performance, your activity, your involvement in social media. Then you have to take the steps to come out from your addiction. Because as soon as you have to come out from your addiction, because when you not come out, it slowly affect you, it slowly make some problems. It affect you in your academic and personal professional growth also. Okay, so that much you have to come out. Because I told you how it affect your professional or business also. Because in business, after job, the after start the company, after after working some place also, that if you are using social media, you're not able to focus your job, you're not able to do something new in your business. Again, your business problem, your productivity problem, your development, your growth kind of things happen. So how much you spend time with your real friends, with the direct face contacts, and your real world, it only help you, it only made you to think something new, to come something with a new plan, new idea. But mostly spending time means it became lazy, and you also not get any new idea, new interest, new techniques may not get. Maybe education related to social media will give you new techniques, new tips, or new way to develop your business. But if you spend most social media for your entertainment purpose, means that you're not able to get any new idea, it make you lazy only. Okay, so kindly aware about these things and come out from your addiction. Okay, this is the things I want to tell you. Addiction, you know what are the media you are using, what are the platform you are using every day, how much you are spending with your platform. Like MS Team also one of the social networking website only, but this is using for education purpose. But other than that, other website also there, other social media page also there, that also people are using. Okay, so kindly calculate your timing and log out and log on. Like these techniques, if you follow, it also help you to come out from your addiction. Because some apps automatically log on, you can go anytime, you can check anything, like this is there. So that is an easy way to go, easy way to check. So always you log out means always you log in. Once you enter, like this techniques you follow, it also help you to control your social media addiction. Okay, that's all. Thank you.